Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF form using Samsung Notes on your phone. The first thing we're going to do is open the PDF in Samsung Notes. Now there's two different ways that you can do this. You can go into your documents on your phone and then open it in Samsung Notes that way, or you can go to Samsung Notes and then open the PDF from there. I'm going to show you guys both ways. So for the first way, I'm going to scroll up and go to my apps, and then go to the Samsung folder, and then My Files, go to Documents, and as you can see, my first document is a PDF. It says downloadable file. What it actually is just a blank lined piece of paper. It's not an actual form, but it shows you guys how to fill out a form because it's got a bunch of lines on it. To open it, click on it. Make sure that Samsung Notes is selected, and then click just once or always. Make sure to select just once if you always want to have an option to change the program, because if you select always, it's always going to open with that and it won't let you select other apps. You can change it later, but it's a lot more complicated. So I'm going to go with just once. So that was one way to open the PDF in Samsung Notes. For the other way, I'm going to go back, go out of this. As you can see, I have Samsung Notes open, so I'm going to go to that. And now we're going to click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner. And then at the top, you'll notice it says PDF. So click that. And I want the first one, so I'm going to select it and then click Done. Now, there's two different ways that you can fill this out. You can fill this out using your finger to write the words, or you can use a stylus. You can use text, but it doesn't really work out right, and I'll show you guys why. So I have it on text right now. As you can see, it's on a keyboard icon at the top. And to use it, just select somewhere in the document. So as you can see, it starts the text out right at the beginning of the line, which is not what we want. So I'm going to go Enter a bunch of times, and I can type from here, which is great and wonderful, and it works out for the first line. But if I go Enter, as you can see, it's not quite lined up with the line. And if I enter again, it's not lined up. And if I enter one more time, it's still not. If I go down to here and press space a bunch of times, I can type on this line. So that works out, but as I said, it doesn't always line up with the line, and unfortunately in this program, there's no way that you can actually move that text around. So it does work, but it's very complicated to actually fill out a document that way. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Next, you can write using your finger. To do that, the first thing you're going to do is click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner and select Turn on Finger Drawing. Next, you're going to go to the pen or marker icon. I use the pen because it's a lot easier. So I'm going to click on the pen icon, which is right beside the keyboard. Click on it again. Select the type of pen that you want to use. I'm going to go with the first one. Select the text size and select the text color. It's currently set to black as the color, so I'm going to leave it as that, and I'm going to click on the X. Now you should be able to just start writing. Now before I do that, I'm going to zoom this in as much as I can. To do that, you just simply put your thumb and index finger on the screen and move them around to increase the size of the document. Alright, so I have it at 600. Seems really big, but when you're doing this, you want it as big as you can get it so that you can actually write properly, especially if you're doing this by hand and not using a stylus. Let's see if I can do this. Forewarning, my writing is pretty messy. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom out so you guys can see what that looks like. So that is how you can fill it out by hand. Again, I suggest having it zoomed in as far as possible. So to write with the stylus, you're simply going to take the stylus out of your phone. Make sure that your pen icon is selected. It says pen mode. Again, set the size of the text and the text color, and then click the X. I'm going to go ahead and zoom this way in again. So I've got my signature. I'm going to go ahead and add my name in printing. And I'm going to add the date. And of course, on most forms, you would add your phone number. So I'm just going to do a fake phone number. Let's go ahead and add one more, which would be occupation. And if you zoom out, so that is how you fill out a PDF form using Samsung Notes on your phone. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.